Hi everyone, we're back with our art homework assessment booklet. Just want to remind you that you'll achieve up to 12 marks for effort, up to 11 marks for skill and 11 marks for presentation, and achieve up to 34 marks overall for this task. So today we're going to start task 2, which looks like this. So you've been given a blank star with a wide range of patterns here for you to choose. So I started one, and as you can see, I'm drawing this design here. I've adapted it so that I can create a really interesting pattern. Really steady hand, trying to draw my lines as close together as possible without taking my pen off, and then join that there. And then I'm going to fill up the whole thing using a different pattern in each of the shapes. So here's one I made earlier, and as you can see, I've extended the ideas in each of them, and that is what it needs to look like, something like that. With control, with practice, you'll get a lot more confident with your line work. The second of the tasks today is task 3, and this is where we have a blank rectangle with these wonderful lines. So the first thing you're going to do is to draw some soft pencil lines in the center of the rectangle, as many as you like. If you're not happy with the shape, you can rub those out, it's not a problem. I'm going to do one more to make it more interesting. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. Now, a tip with this task is to actually draw the line either side first. So you've got your starting point and your finishing point, starting point and finishing point, and then take your line for a walk. Starting point, finishing point. Like so. And again, here's one I made earlier. And now all I'm going to do is to rub out the pencil lines to create this really lovely abstract design using the fine liner. Now, what I've just shown you earlier with the starting point and the finishing point, I didn't actually start that until here, because I worked out that it's actually easier to have the line joined up across if you've got a starting point and a finishing point, rather than just drawing a straight line or a wonky line going across and then finishing over there. So I would highly recommend you having a starting point and a finishing point, and then that way you can take your line for a walk, as I said earlier. Well, good luck with this. So this week, just to recap, you're doing task 2 and task 3 with a fine liner, and it should look something like this: completed patterns and completed lines. And the purpose of these 2 tasks is for you to become really confident with mark making and not having to worry about rubbing out lines. Okay, well, good luck, and I look forward to seeing what you've been able to achieve. Thank you. Bye.